Hello everyone and welcome to Superbazi Affiliate Tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through how to become a Superbazi affiliate. The process is simple, straightforward, and easy to follow, so even if you're starting from scratch, you'll be ready to start promoting in no time. The Superbazi affiliate program is perfect for anyone who is active on social media, runs a blog, has a YouTube channel, manages a community, or simply enjoys sharing content about self-development. Best of all, it's completely free to join. First step you can do is create your Superbazi account. Visit superbazi.com and click the sign up button. Then enter your name, email address, and create a password. Next, check your email for the verification code. It may arrive in your inbox or spam folder, so be sure to check both. Once your account is activated, log in and complete your profile. I also recommend trying the free analysis or purchasing a full report first. This will help you better understand the product you'll be promoting. When you have personal experience with Superbazi, your recommendations will feel much more genuine and convincing. Now I will explain how to join the affiliate program and get your unique link. Once your account is ready, it's time to join the Superbazi affiliate program. If you're using a laptop or desktop computer, you'll find the Join Affiliate menu at the bottom left of your dashboard. If you're using a smartphone, open the My Space menu and tap Join Affiliate. On this page, you can review important information such as commission info, program snapshot, and exclusive community info. After that, you'll be asked to fill in your personal information and bank account details. Once you've submitted everything, simply wait for your affiliate account to be activated. Second step is activate products and copy your voucher. After your affiliate account has been approved, the next step is to choose which products you'd like to promote. Currently, there are several products available, and more will be added in the future. Once you've activated a product, the system will automatically generate your personal affiliate voucher. Simply click Copy Voucher, then share it through your content, community groups, or any promotional platform you use. Now comes the most exciting part. Create your content and start promoting. You don't need to be a Bazi expert before you start promoting Superbazi. Simply share your honest experience and personal insights. For example, you can create a short review on TikTok or YouTube or share your analysis results on Instagram. A simple content structure usually works best. Start with a relatable hook. Talk about a common problem. Introduce Superbazi as a solution. Share your own experience or results. Finally, invite people to try it using your affiliate link or voucher. For example, you could say, "Have you ever felt uncertain about your career or life direction? I recently tried Superbazi, and the insights were surprisingly eye-opening. If you're curious, check it out using my link below." Once you've started sharing your content, you can monitor your results through the affiliate dashboard. Here, you'll be able to see your total commissions, voucher revenue, and purchase conversions. I recommend checking your dashboard at least once a week. Pay attention to which content generates the most clicks, then create more content with a similar approach. Once your commissions reach the minimum withdrawal amount, you can request a payout. Go to Affiliate Withdrawals or Payout under Withdrawal Records. Make sure your bank account or e-wallet information is correct, then click New Withdrawal. Your commission will be transferred according to Superbazi's payout schedule. And that's it. The process is simple. Create your account, join the program, and activate your products. Share your voucher, track your performance, and withdraw your commissions when you're ready. Become a genuine Superbazi user and focus on the right audience. If you're ready to begin, visit superbazi.com and start your affiliate journey today. If you have any questions, contact our support team at hello@superbazi.com. Thank you for watching, and we wish you great success as a Superbazi affiliate.